guys, it's Rosette and it's my day off today. That's why I decided to take myself out on a solo date. So right now I'm here at Matcha Mama here in Forbes Town to try their matcha. Look, so cute! It's my first time trying their matcha out. Yung malaking branch pala nila nasa Quezon City. This video is gonna be a get to know me kind of video. So, my full name is Rosary Dane E. Junicio. You can call me Rosette for short, and I'm 23 years old at the moment. Cheers! Let's taste this muna. Teka, hindi ko mahigop. Oh my gosh! I love it. It's very milky. It's very creamy. Pero nalalasahan yung matcha. Sana magkaroon pa sila ng maraming brunch. Gustuhan to ni Lance. Kasi mahilig yun sa matcha. Actually, matcha lang yung iniinom niya. I'm more of a coffee girl. So, that's a fact about me na mahilig talaga ako magkape. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang pwede kong i-share sa inyo tungkol sa akin? I love pageantry. If you guys know me, you know, I love pageantry. I love watching pageants. I love joining pageants. And my favorite part of the competition is the Q&A portion. And aside from that, I really love the long gown portion and the introduction. Kasi kailangan sa introduction pa lang pasabog ka na. Talagang dapat sa introduction pa lang ikaw na yung makikita ng mga judges. So yun yung pinaka gusto kong makuha sa lahat ng sinasalihan kong pageants, yung best in production. I love journaling and I wanna show you guys my journal. This is what my journal looks like. Ayan, I have a photo of my cousins. Pero ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang slim, sobrang compact. Pwede mong madala kahit saan. It's Hello 2026 lang. Calendar of the year, ganyan yung itsura niya. Diba? Sobrang cute. Alam nyo, if marami lang akong time, baka palagi ako nagjo-junk journaling, nagjo-journal, naggumagawa ng to-do list. Yun. Pero sadly, nag-work kasi ako. So, hindi ko nagagawa yung mga hobbies ko. And aside from journaling, I really love watching movies. Sa series, sakto lang. Kasi medyo maikli yung attention span ko. Back when I was younger, para bang sobrang tanda. Pero back when I was younger, I really love reading books. Pero nung nagsimula na mag-double yung paningin ko, like nagdo-double na yung mga sentence, mga letters, and mga words, hindi na ako nagbabasa. Pero I'd love to get back on reading. Ayun. Meron din pala tayo ditong cookie. Teka, I'll open it for you guys. So, this is our cookie. Ayan. It's a triple chocolate cookie. Hindi siya super tamis. Ang sarap niyang chocolate na medyo natutunaw-tunaw. Right now, I'm inside a photo booth because I'm gonna take pictures of myself. Bakit ako gumagana? Hindi ko din alam. Layo, no? Ba't ganun di pantay kasi yung mukha ko?
Ano ko
Dalawa tayo, tay. Dalawa tayo. I'm done with the photo booth. I'm also done drinking my matcha and I really enjoyed their matcha. Andito pa yung empty cup kasi wala akong makitang basurahan. But right now, I'm walking to BGC High Street Kasi I'm planning to go home already so I can relax and watch a movie. By the way guys, ano pa bang hindi nyo alam tungkol sa akin? I love trying new food, new places to eat, ganyan. Actually, I love traveling pero wala pa akong means of traveling now. So I cannot travel pa. I still don't know where to eat. Here's my photo booth pictures. Hello everyone, so this is my last stop for today. I'm eating here at Texas Roadhouse. This will be my dinner and my last ganap for tonight. So this is my first time trying out their steak. Hopefully it's good. And I'm really sad right now because this is my first Valentine's without plans. And ito yung treat niya sa akin, guys. Ito yung Valentine's gift niya sa akin. Ang mag-solo date at kumain ng masarap. Vlog here. Today was well spent, pero sobrang pagod na ako and medyo pinipulikata din yung pa ako. Can't wait to shower, makahiga at matulog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in my next one. Bye!